Have you been thinking about selling final expense insurance? Perhaps you've been thinking about getting into the insurance industry but aren't sure what type of insurance is the best fit for you to sell. While car and homeowners insurance are everyday purchases for consumers, there is still a very important need to be filled in the insurance industry. While you may not realize how important it is to plan for the end of your time here on Earth, there are many senior citizens that are worried about their funeral expenses and whether or not their children will have enough left over to cover those expenses when the time comes. Has this crossed your mind too? Today we'll share with you the 5 reasons to sell final expense insurance and how you can get others to consider why this form of insurance is just as important as any other form they will ever purchase in their lifetime. You see, final expense insurance is a must-have. If you have any doubt that you could earn a respectable income in the final expense insurance, here are 5 reasons you can refer to. 1. It fills an important need. Did you know that nearly half of all households in America still fail to purchase life insurance? If you've lost a loved one, you know that the expenses associated with this can be very hefty and burdensome at best. This is why preparing ahead for those final expenses is so important. Everyone should plan ahead for their children's sake. Don't let loved ones worry about how to cover the cost of a funeral, which runs around $11,000. Point number 2, most are ready to buy. Did you know that as most folks age, they are still thinking about buying life insurance? They usually purchase this insurance to cover the cost of their funeral and burial, but they are so worried about the cost, they just buy enough. You can help families buy the insurance they need to cover their final expenses without breaking the bank. That is a great feeling. Point number 3, it's a sale that isn't complicated. If you've ever sold insurance of any kind, cars or homes, you know there's a lot of haggling, questions, and mountains of paperwork involved. When it comes to this type of insurance, the questions are basically yes or no. This is a sale that gets down to business and is simple in nature. Point number 4, lifetime renewals. Did you know that you'll earn commissions not only on the premiums but on the renewals as well? This is an insurance policy that comes with a lifetime renewal. Point number 5, How Insurance Services has a great reputation. How Insurance Services isn't a brand new company. We've been serving families for over 30 years to get the coverage they need for their final expenses. Why not work with a name you can trust? Insurance is a lucrative market, but there are so many needs to be filled. When you think about your family and how they'll leave them, do you have peace of mind knowing that they are properly prepared? There are plenty of companies that compete for car and homeowners insurance. If you're considering becoming an insurance agent, why not consider selling final expense insurance? For more information, please visit howtosellfinalexpense.com.